wearing a new unit today. This is from Nadula Hair. This is their gluteless Yaki unit. I believe she's in 22 or 24 inches, but I'm not 100% sure. But you know, make sure you check the description box. I'll have the direct link and I'll put exactly what I'm wearing down there for you guys. But it's one of the two. I typically only do 22, 24 inches. I feel like that suits me the best. But you guys, the hair is so good. It looks so realistic. I'm so happy that kinky straight Yaki, that natural texture, is coming back and getting the moment that she deserves, you guys, because this looks so good. It just looks like relaxed hair or a fresh blow dry flat iron. It does come with adhesive tape, so I'm going to be using a little bit of that as well as a little bit of my hairspray. I did get a few new products that I want to try out on this unit today, you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys how my 7-year-old called me out in just a second, but let me give you guys an up close look at this unit. All right, y'all, so this is a 13x4 transparent lace light Yaki straight unit. It's everything is already done for you, so lace is already cut, all that good stuff. They even provide you these like little ear tab adhesives for extra security. I'll show you guys how I use those in just a bit. I did go in and bleach the knots because I knew this was going to be a unit I would pull for very often, and it does come pre-plucked. All right, y'all, so like I said earlier, I did go in and bleach the knots, and this is how the unit is looking. You can definitely let this unit air dry. It takes like no time for it to air dry, but I didn't have that kind of time today. Okay, definitely didn't feel like it, so I just went in with my blow dryer on medium heat or low heat, one of those, and just used my paddle brush and got it all dried really quickly. Didn't take any time, like I said. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron you see in just a bit. Now, the reason why I went in was with the flat iron, it's not super necessary because this hair, the density on this hair is perfect to me. That was one thing that really stood out in my opinion, was that I knew it wasn't gonna look too thick, too full, too wiggy. So I'm really just going in with my flat iron right here to just kind of smooth the hair down a bit and kind of just focus on the roots more than anything, making sure I can get those as flat as possible. Also, I know depending on the company, you may get more of those crinkle, like that crinkle effect when it comes to Yaki hair, which I am so happy that Nadula does not have it, or if they do, I didn't even really notice it. I'm so glad companies are getting away with that because it's not realistic. This right here is definitely realistic and it looks good in my opinion. So next, I'm just going in and cutting a little bit more of that lace off. It already comes pre-cut for you, but I personally just like to really get in there, and I'm taking my Even lace spray. I haven't used this in so long. I didn't even know where my other one was, so I bought a new one, and I am first just spraying that right in the middle. I learned with using the ear tabs, I needed that extra security. So these are the adhesive ear tabs. You're gonna make sure you wipe your skin with a little bit of alcohol, then you just place it there, let it sit for a second. So I just did both sides, and then you're just gonna peel off the blue side on both of them and press your lace down, and it gives you more of a secure hold. So if you are in it, like if you do your wig and you need it on for a couple days, you need that added security, I would definitely use the ear tabs. They are also waterproof. I haven't used them in water yet, but that's what it says, they're waterproof. So I went on ahead and just used my elastic band, made sure everything was nice and melted, and then now I'm just going to lay my edges, y'all. So I knew I was gonna wear this hair pretty straight, so I wanted to do a little bit more on the hairline, and I just wanted some exaggerated baby hair, you guys. I just wanted some adult edges. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Also, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know that Isaiah definitely approved this look. When I picked him up at the bus stop, he was like, "Mama, I like your hair today." I was like, well, thank you, because you certainly did not like it before and you made it known. So that's why I say, if you really want to know how you look, and ask a child, because they will tell you. Okay, they are not going to lie. Anyways, y'all, I'm using this new lace mousse from Even as well. I will put it down below or I will put it in my 2024 hair category that I have in my Amazon store. Make sure you check it out. I did like it. I will be using it along with my design essentials that I always use. This is my first time using it, so I can't say I love it just yet, but I did like it. I did like the hold. It didn't give me any white flakes, none of that kind of stuff. So yeah, just went on ahead and laid my edges, tied everything down, and blow dried it, made sure everything was in place. And then next, y'all, look how good it came out. Like, this definitely melted everything together. That's why I guess it's called the lace melt mousse, some along those lines. I may have the title messed up, but it did such a great job with just making it all come together. And I loved my hairline. I loved how it came out. So now we're just gonna attack the rest of this hair. Never skip this step, you guys. Even, I don't care how much of a rush you are in, do not skip the wax stick and hot comb combo. You need your hot comb to go with your wax stick at all times to make sure it's nice and flat at the top. And then, y'all, I'm just going to clean up the ends a little bit and also just take my little razor, add a small amount of layering to the front just to kind of break up that one length. And then I'm going to use my T3 curling iron to flip the ends out just to kind of bump them just a bit. And finishing touches, y'all, just adding a little bit of foundation to my part. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my bronzer to tie it all in together. Don't skip this part either. I feel like if you already wear bronzer, make sure you add a little bit more when you have your wig on. It just meshes everything together. And then last but not least, I'm going to lift those hairs off of my forehead because I don't like them sticking. I like more of a wispy look, and then added a little bit of hairspray, y'all, and that was basically it for this look. Easily one of my favorite looks that I have done in the past couple months. Love this texture. It will be probably what I would be rocking most of 2024. Love the density on it. I felt like it just made it look very natural along with the texture itself, and the hair remained soft from bleaching it, washing it. Just like I pulled it out of the package, it felt the exact same way. So make sure you guys check the description box. I will put the direct link to what I'm wearing down there. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me and your support. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Nadula.